is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work. Esteemed Headmistress, Kalinga Project UP School, respected Chairperson and members of SMC, my dear parents, all the members of community, my dear colleagues and my loving students. All of us we know Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day, is celebrated throughout the country on 31st October every year to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks the 146th birth anniversary of the great freedom fighter and as politician. Students, we know Sardar Patel played a major role in the integration of India, Ek Bharat, from over 560 princely states. To acknowledge his efforts in uniting the nation, India celebrates National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas on his birth anniversary. In countries like India, which are full of diversities, religions, castes, languages, civilizations and cultures, it is very important to maintain unity. So, to establish the unity of the nation, the Government of India proposed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014. Since Sardar Patel is known for the integration of India, National Unity Day is set celebrate on his birth anniversary, 31st October. In memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Government of India has constructed a huge statue of the Iron Man of India near the Narmada River in Gujarat. Also, to acknowledge the struggles and sacrifices of the first Deputy Prime Minister of Independent India, Sardar Patel, the Government of India announced the National Unity Day on his birth anniversary. In the official statement issued by the Home Ministry of India in 2014, it was stated that National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity and security of our country. So children, you know the full name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is Vallabhbhai Jhabher Patel. He was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat and died on 15th December 1950 at Bombay. During the first 3 years of Indian independence, he served as Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Information and Minister of States. He attended primary school at Karamsad and high school at Petlad. He married at the age of 16, matriculated at the age of 22 and passed the district pleader's examination, due to which he was able to practice law. In Godhra, he set up an independent office of district pleader in 1900. In August 1910, he went to London for further studies. In 1913, he returned to India and settled in Ahmedabad and became the leading barrister in criminal law at the Ahmedabad Bar. He served as the first Indian Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad from 1917 to 1924 and was elected as a municipal president from 1924 to 1928. In 1918, he made his first mark by a mass campaign of peasants, farmers and landowners of Kaira, Gujarat against the decision of the Bombay government. Despite crop failures due to heavy rains, the government wanted to collect full annual taxes. In 1928, he successfully led the Bardoli campaign and earned the title Sardar, that is, leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the second candidate after Mahatma Gandhi to the presidency of the 1929 Lahore session of the Indian National Congress. In 1931, he presided over the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress. He was the first chairman and founder of the Edward Memorial High School, Parsar, Now it is known as Jafar Bhai Daji Bhai Patel High School. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel always worked hard to make India a united India. Ek Bharat. To create Shrestha Bharat or foremost India, he requested the people of India to live together. Being the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister, he played an important role in the integration of many Indian princely states to make an Indian federation. In the first run for unity in 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had mentioned Sardar Patel's unique contribution to the freedom struggle. The Prime Minister drew a comparison of the Sardar's relationship with Mahatma Gandhi to the relationship between Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramhans. PM Narendra Modi had recalled a mantra of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat and said that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us Ek Bharat or United India, and we should all work towards creating Shrestha Bharat, foremost India. So come on children, let's take the Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge together. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.